Seniors, stop what you are doing right now. Your CPP and OAS payments are changing. New dates have been confirmed. And if you do not know about this update today, on March 6th, you could be left waiting, confused, or worse, missing money you are owed. In Ontario, British Columbia, Alberta, and every province in between are already asking the same question. When is my money coming, and how much will it be? Here is what most seniors do not realize. Not everyone is impacted the same way. Some of you will see bigger deposits this month. Some of you may face a short delay, and a small group of you may need to take action right now to make sure your payment actually arrives. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what changed, what it means for your wallet, and the simple steps you need to take today. Let us start with a quick reminder for anyone who is new here. The Canada Pension Plan, CPP, is a monthly retirement payment you earned by working and contributing throughout your career in Canada. The more you contributed and the longer you worked, the more you receive. Old Age Security, OAS, is a separate monthly payment from the Government of Canada. It is available to most Canadians aged 65 and older, even if you never worked a day in Canada. It is based on how long you have lived here. Both programs have just had their payment dates and amounts updated for 2026. New codes are appearing on statements, amounts have shifted, and some seniors are not even aware the calendar changed. Today, I am going to walk you through what changed, how it affects your money, and what steps you may need to take. Let us go through this together. Number 1. Why March 6th? Matters today, March 2026. And this date matters for one simple reason. Your next CPP and OAS payment is scheduled for March 27, 2026. That is just a few days away. But here is why you need to pay attention right now and not wait until March 26. Many seniors assume their payment will just show up automatically. And most of the time, it does. But every year, a number of Canadians miss payments or receive delayed deposits because they did not update their banking information, did not respond to a Service Canada notice, or did not know that a change to their file required their attention. If something is wrong on your account today, you have just enough time to fix it before March 27th. That is why March 6 is your action date, not March 25, not March 26. The full 2026 payment schedule from the Government of Canada shows that CPP and OAS payments are going out on the same date each month. For March, that confirmed date is Friday, March 27th, 2026. Mark it on your calendar right now. Number 2. CPP payment codes explained. Have you ever looked at your CPP statement online and seen strange numbers like 105, 121, or 150? You are not alone. Thousands of Canadian seniors are confused by these codes. Let me explain them in plain English. These are benefit type codes. They appear on your My Service Canada account dashboard and on your T4AP slip, which is the tax slip you receive each year for your CPP income. Code 105 means CPP Retirement Pension. This is the standard monthly retirement payment. If you retired and started collecting CPP, this is your code. Code 121 means CPP Disability Benefit. This applies to Canadians under 65 who are living with a severe and prolonged disability that prevents them from working regularly. Code 150 means CPP Survivor's Pension. This is for the spouse or common law partner of a CPP contributor who has passed away. Here is the part most seniors miss. If you see two codes on your statement, for example, 105 and 150, that means you are receiving a combined benefit. You may be getting both a retirement pension and a survivor's pension at the same time. The government caps the combined total, so your full retirement pension is paid first, and the survivor's portion tops it up to the maximum limit. Why does this matter right now in 2026? Because the maximum CPP retirement pension has increased. As of January 2026, the maximum monthly CPP retirement payment is $1,507.65. That is a 2% increase from last year. The average new retiree, however, receives around $848 per month. Not everyone hits the maximum. Your amount depends entirely on your personal contribution history. Number 3. OAS payment timing and amounts now. Let us talk about OAS. The confirmed OAS payment date for March 2026 is the same as CPP, Friday, March 27, 2026. Both payments land on the same day for most Canadians. That means if you receive both CPP and OAS, you should see 2 deposits hit your bank account on March 27. Here is a simple comparison so you can see how the 2026 dates align across the year. January was January 28th. February was February 25th. March is March 27th. April will be April 28th. May will be May 27th. These dates are official. They are listed on the Government of Canada benefits calendar at canada.ca. Now, how much OAS will you receive in March? If you are between ages 65 and 74, the maximum monthly OAS payment is $742.31. If you are 75 or older, you receive a permanently higher amount, up to $860.54 per month. That 10% boost for seniors 75 and over has been in place since July 2022, and it is not going away. OAS payments are also adjusted every quarter based on the Consumer Price Index, the cost of living. For January to March 2026, OAS increased by 0.3%, and the next quarterly adjustment, for April to June 2026, will bring another 0.1% increase. These increases are small, but over 12 months, they add up, and every dollar matters when you are living on a fixed income. Number 4. Who is most impacted? Not every senior is affected by these changes equally. Here is who needs to pay the closest attention. First, seniors who receive both CPP and OAS. If you collect both payments, a combined deposit of over $2,100 per month is possible, but you need to verify your amounts are correct. Combined payments are processed through 2 different systems, and errors can occur. Second, new retirees who started CPP or OAS in 2025 or 2026. Your benefit amounts were calculated using the new 2026 contribution maximums and CPI adjustments. Your first few payment statements may look different from what you expected. Third, newcomers to Canada and recent immigrants. OAS eligibility requires at least 10 years of residency in Canada after age 18. If you arrived in Canada later in life, your OAS will be a partial amount. Understanding your partial pension calculation is important because many newcomers underestimate what they will receive. Fourth, seniors who are single, widowed, or divorced and qualify for the Guaranteed Income Supplement, the GIS. The GIS is a tax-free monthly top-up paid alongside OAS for lower-income seniors. In 2026, single seniors can receive up to $1,108.74 per month in GIS alone, on top of their OAS. That is a significant amount of money, and many eligible seniors are not receiving it simply because they have not applied. Number 5, potential payment delays. Let us talk about delays, because they happen. The most common reason a CPP or OAS payment is delayed is outdated banking information. If you recently changed banks, closed an account, or moved to a new address, Service Canada may not have your updated details on file. Another common cause is an unresolved notice. Service Canada sometimes sends letters asking you to confirm your status, update your income information, or verify your identity. If you ignore these letters, your payments can be paused. So what should you do if your March 27 payment does not arrive? Step 1. Wait 1 full business day. Bank processing times can vary. Direct deposits sometimes arrive a day later depending on your financial institution. Step 2. Log in to your My Service Canada account. Check your payment status and look for any alerts or notices on your dashboard. Step 3. If there is no explanation online, call Service Canada directly at 1-800-277-9914. Have your social insurance number ready. Be patient. Wait times can be long, but the call is worth making. Do not wait 2 or 3 weeks to follow up. The sooner you act, the sooner your issue gets resolved. Number 6. How to check your CPP and OAS payment. Checking your payment information online is simpler than most seniors think. Here is exactly how to do it. Go to canada.ca and search for My Service Canada account. You can also go directly to the address, canada.ca-in, Employment Social Development Services My Account. Sign in using your GC key, your provincial digital identity, or your bank login if your bank is a sign-in partner. Once you are inside your account, look for the CPP or OAS section on your dashboard. From there, you can view your current benefit amount, your next payment date, your payment history, and any notices or pending actions on your file. You can also update your direct deposit banking information directly in your MSCA account. This is the single most important thing you can do to protect your payment schedule. If you do not have an MSCA account yet, set one up today. It takes about 15 minutes. And once you are registered, managing your CPP and OAS benefits becomes much easier. Here are 4 quick tips that will save you headaches down the road. 1. Watch your mail. Service Canada sends physical letters for important notices. Do not throw away any envelope from the Government of Canada without opening it first. 2. Keep your bank information current. Every time you change banks or accounts, update your direct deposit information in your MSCA account. This one step prevents the most common payment delay. 3. File your taxes on time. Your GIS and any future OAS adjustments are based on your previous year's income as reported to CRA. If you do not file your taxes, your GIS could be reduced or stopped completely. 4. Keep a paper record. Write down your payment dates, the amounts you received, and any phone calls you make to Service Canada. If there is ever a dispute about your payments, having records makes everything easier. Let me clear up 2 big myths right now. Myth number 1, everyone gets the same CPP amount. This is completely false. CPP is calculated based on how much you contributed over your working years, how long you contributed, and at what age you started collecting. The maximum is $1,507.65 per month. The average is around $848 per month. Your amount could be anywhere in between, or even lower if you had gaps in your work history or worked part-time. Myth number 2, CPP and OAS payments are always automatic. This is mostly true, but not always. Your first CPP payment is not automatic. You have to apply. Your OAS enrollment is automatic for many seniors, but not all. If Service Canada does not have enough information on file to enroll you automatically, you will need to apply. Some seniors at 65 are surprised when their OAS payment does not arrive because they assumed it would start on its own. Do not assume. Verify. Number 9. Key takeaways and action steps. Here is a quick summary of what you learned today and exactly what to do next. The confirmed CPP and OAS payment date for March 2026 is March 27. Mark it on your calendar. The maximum CPP retirement payment in 2026 is $1,507.65 per month. The average is around $848. Your personal amount depends on your contribution history. OAS is up to $742.31 for ages 65 to 74, and up to $816.54 for ages 75 and over. If you qualify for GIS, you could receive up to $1,108.74 extra per month, tax-free. Log into your My Service Canada account today to confirm your payment details, update your banking information, and check for any outstanding notices. If your payment is late on March 27th, wait 1 business day, then check MSCA, then call Service Canada at 1-800-277-9914. And do not forget to file your taxes. Your benefit amounts depend on it. And that is the full March update on CPP and OAS. Knowing these changes now can genuinely save you headaches and money. The seniors who stay informed are the ones who catch errors early, receive every dollar they are owed, and never miss a payment. If this video helped you today, please give it a thumbs up. It takes just 1 second, and it helps this information reach more Canadian seniors who need it. Hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update like this. Every time CPP or OAS changes, you will be the first to know. And in the comments below, I want to hear from you. Which payment change surprised you the most today? Was it the new amounts, the payment date, the codes on your statement? Let me know in the comments. One important reminder, Payment dates and benefit amounts can change. Always verify the most up-to-date information directly with Service Canada at 1-800-277-9914 or by visiting canada.ca. This video is for educational purposes and is based on publicly available government information as of March 6, 2026. Take care of yourself, stay informed, and we will see you in the next video.